Yeah.
There is a variety of life, again ranging from viruses and bacteria to plants and animals. And of course also cultivated plants, domesticated animals, but all of variety of life is biodiversity.
Including plants and animals.
Yes, 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 of course.
Why are ecology and biodiversity important to economy and development? Can there be a measurable impact measured from these?
Well, I mean, world over, certainly in India, a large proportion of people depend for a variety of resources for the quality of their life on the natural world. There is only a small proportion of people, including in India, who can live in a concrete box air conditioned and travel in another metal box air conditioned, and all their comforts come from artificially produced objects. Such people exist, but they are maybe few percent of the population. For the rest of the people, vast majority depend even today for fuel on dried wood or crop waste. Many still draw water directly from ponds or rivers. Many, certainly protein, as a protein source, fish is very important resource for a large proportion of people. And of course for our majority of people depend on agriculture, and especially in rain-fed agriculture, which is still the largest part of our agriculture. Natural resources are very important. There is very little other input available. So ecology, natural resources are critical to the sustenance quality of life of majority of India's population.
And why is biodiversity?
Well, biodiversity is a general word, but fuel, of course, is a biological resource. As I said, many people depend on dried wood or crop waste for fuel or dung. These are all biological resources. So, many of the ecological resources we are talking about, but clearly, critically, land, water, and living resources are important ingredient. Biodiversity is this component of living resources.
What are the problems in Indian context in last couple of decades in the area of ecology and biodiversity?
The over-harvest, of course, and unnecessary destruction. Two kinds of problems. Groundwater, for example, has been overdrawn almost everywhere, and groundwater tables are sinking, so water becomes less and less accessible. Many industries in many parts of the country are completely illegally actually digging borewells and pumping toxic waste into the groundwater, so our aquifers are getting polluted. So there are a whole lot of such problems. In the ocean, for example, seawater is highly polluted in estuarine seawater. Fisheries have declined, so there are a whole range of ecological environmental issues.
What are the challenges in combating these problems, and how does one overcome them?
Firstly, of course, to establish a lawful state. We have, of course, recognized these problems and passed many acts to take corrective action. So there is air and water pollution control legislation, but it is completely ineffective in implementation. As I was mentioning, certainly pumping toxic waste into the groundwater is not permitted by law, but Burelal, who is the chief of the Delhi Haryana, that some environment authority is telling me that in Delhi Haryana region it is extensive.